Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Shag aristotellus. The shag aristotellus, also known as the European shag, is a sleek and striking seabird from the cormorant family. It is a year-round resident of the UK's coasts and is instantly recognizable by its slender body, glossy black plumage, and distinctive behavior. Plumage: glossy black with a greenish sheen in adults. During the breeding season, they develop a small crest on the top of their heads. Beak: thin, hooked, and dark grey. Ideal for catching fish. Eyes: striking green eyes. Size: length 68 to 78 centimeters. Wingspan: 95 to 110 centimeters. Weight: 1.5 to 2.5 kilograms. Habitat: found along rocky coastlines, cliffs, and islands. Roosts and nests on ledges and rocky outcrops close to the sea. Diet: piscivorous, feeding primarily on small fish, including sand eels, herring, and other coastal species. Shags are excellent divers, capable of diving to depths of over 30 meters to catch prey. They hunt underwater, using their webbed feet for propulsion. Flight: direct and low over the water, with rapid wing beats. Roosting: often seen perched on rocks or ledges with wings folded, unlike cormorants, which frequently spread their wings to dry. Calls: deep, guttural croaks, especially during the breeding season. February to July. Nesting: nests are built on rocky ledges or in crevices, using seaweed, twigs, and grass. Shags often reuse nesting sites year after year. Eggs: females lay 2 to 4 pale blue eggs, incubated by both parents for about 30 to 31 days. Chicks hatch covered in down and fledge after about 50 to 60 days. Shags are key predators in coastal ecosystems, helping to regulate fish populations. Cormorant Phyllacrocorax carbo. The cormorant Phyllacrocorax carbo, also known as the great cormorant, is a large, versatile water bird found in coastal and freshwater habitats across the UK. With its striking black plumage, distinctive pasture, and fishing expertise, the cormorant is an iconic species of both inland waterways and coastal cliffs. Plumage: glossy black, with a greenish or bluish sheen in adults. Breeding adults develop a white patch on the thighs and around the face. Beak: long, hooked, and yellowish at the base, designed for catching slippery fish. Size: length 80 to 100 centimeters. Wingspan: 130 to 160 centimeters. Weight: 2 to 3.5 kilograms. Pasture: often seen standing with wings spread to dry, a signature behavior. Habitat: found in both freshwater and coastal environments. Inland: rivers, lakes, reservoirs, and wetlands. Coastal: cliffs, rocky shores, and estuaries. Roosts and nests on cliffs, trees, or man-made structures like pylons. Diet: piscivorous, feeding almost exclusively on fish. Prefers small to medium-sized fish like eels, perch, and flounder. Cormorants are skilled divers, capable of diving to depths of over 25 meters to catch prey. They use their webbed feet to propel themselves underwater and their sharp beak to grab fish. Pasturing: frequently seen with wings spread to dry after diving, as their plumage is not fully waterproof. Flight: strong, direct flight with slow wing beats. Often seen flying in V formations or small groups. Calls: deep, guttural croaks, particularly during the breeding season. March to June. Nesting: build bulky nests made of sticks, seaweed, and grass in trees, on cliffs, or man-made structures. Often nest in colonies, sometimes mixed with other bird species. Eggs lay 3 to 4 pale blue eggs, which are incubated by both parents for 8 to 31 days. Chicks fledge after 50 to 60 days and remain dependent on their parents for a short time. Ecological role: cormorants are apex aquatic predators, playing a vital role in maintaining fish populations in balance. They help indicate the health of aquatic ecosystems, as their success depends on water quality and prey availability. Ancient cultures, including Chinese and Japanese fishermen, trained cormorants to catch fish using specialized collars. They are one of the few bird species that thrive in both marine and freshwater environments. Tern sterna hirundo. Terns are graceful seabirds known for their slender bodies, sharp-pointed wings, and distinctive fishing techniques. Among the terns found in the UK, the common tern, Arctic tern, and sandwich tern are the most notable species. Each has unique characteristics but shares many behaviors and habitats. Common tern sterna hirundo. Plumage: light grey upperparts and white underparts. Size: length 31 to 35 centimeters. Wingspan: 77 to 98 centimeters. Beak: orange-red with a black tip. Legs: bright orange-red. Habitat: breeds on coasts, gravel pits, reservoirs, and estuaries. Winters in Africa after long migrations. Diet: small fish like sand eels, sprats, and white bait, caught by plunge diving. Breeding: nests on shingle beaches or flat islands, laying 1 to 3 eggs. Chicks fledge in 22 to 28 days. Arctic tern sterna paradisea. Physical description: plumage: similar to the common tern, but slightly paler. Beak: bright red without a black tip. Legs: bright red. Size: length 33 to 36 centimeters. Wingspan: 76 to 85 centimeters. Habitat: breeds in northern coastal areas, often in the Arctic, with some colonies in the UK. Undertakes the longest migration of any bird, traveling from the Arctic to Antarctica annually. Diet: similar to the common tern, feeding on small fish and invertebrates. Breeding: nests on coastal tundra or rocky shores, laying 1 to 3 eggs. Plumage: white with a light grey back and a distinctive black crest. Beak: black with a yellow tip. Legs: black. Size: length 36 to 41 centimeters. Wingspan: 85 to 97 centimeters. Habitat: breeds on sandy or gravelly beaches and islands. Winters along the coasts of Africa and southern Europe. Diet: feeds primarily on fish, diving from the air to catch prey. Breeding: nests in colonies, often with other tern species. Behavior of all terns: flight: agile and buoyant, often hovering before diving for prey. Calls: high-pitched and sharp, commonly heard over colonies. Social behavior: highly social, nesting and feeding in groups. A dramatic scene of Arctic terns flying over a vast expanse of open ocean during their migration, with a golden sunset reflecting on the water below.